Consider the line plot below. For 1, 1 occurs 1 time, 2 occurs 3 times, 3 occurs 4 times, 4 occurs 1 time, and 5 has no occurrences. Which data set matches the line plot? Well, let's look at this. For the number 1, that means we have one data set for the number 1. And for the number 2, there's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 2s, so 2, 2, 2. For the number 3, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 4 3s. And for the number 4, there was 1 4. So that's the data set that represents the line plot. So which data set matches the line plot? What we know is there's 1 1 and there's 1 4. So I'm going to look at the 1s right now. I'm just going to look at the 1s. So in this data set right here, on that first data set, there is only a 1. The next data set for B, there's 4 1s, so that does not match. So B isn't going to work. Still looking for the data set with only 1 1. For C, there's the 1 1. And then for D has 4 1s, so I know that that's not going to work. Process of elimination, B and D do not work right now because they have too many 1s. We're looking for only 1 1. Now what I'm going to focus on, I'm going to focus on the 4. I'm looking for a data set with only 1 4. So when I go through this data set, there's a 4. When I go to the data set for C, there is also only 1 4. So both of those still work. Now let's move on to the 2s. Let's look on to the 2s. There's 1, 2, there's 3 2s. So now I'm going to look at my 2s for 3 2s. For this data set, A, there's 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 4 2s. I was looking for 3 2s. So A does not work. Let's double check the number of 2s. There's 1, 2, 3 2s. That's what I was looking for. And then for the number of 3s, there's 4 3s right here. There's 4 3s. There's 4 of them. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So C is the data set that matches the line plot.